What's up, everybody? Welcome back to this episode of RWBY React, this time Volume 7, Episode 10, Out in the Open. Gonna readjust myself here real quick. Little bit of a different recording time for me. So we'll see if that makes a difference. Been drinking a smidge. Just a very smidge. And it is currently 4 a.m., and I figured, what better time to do a recording, right? So anyway, hey. Did I introduce myself? I'm Connor, by the way, if I didn't say that already. And the other people joining me are Travis and Zach. Probably. I don't actually know if they'll be joining me or not. This is an insight to how professional we are. Anyway, last time, Jacques got arrested, Mantle is out of heat, Grimm are attacking, and Team RWBY and the Aesops just came down to offer their help. I did see, so this is 4 a.m. like Sunday morning. I did see what might be a spoiler for this episode. And I don't know if it was a spoiler or fan art, and I've had this exact same situation happen again. This is the downside of holding back. Excuse me. That's a lot of Grimm. I gotta say, this is kind of what you get for rioting. You have homes, you should have just stayed indoors.
I'm looking for some action sequences for a while now.
Oh my gosh. Oh, those are ships.
I like the sequence, though. The tracking shots and everything. Hey, the Primer Jailus. It's gonna be a damn shame when that's not what their names are. That's a lot of them. Oh, we got the Happy Huntresses.
Uh-oh. Oh, good. Yeah, Nora, go! Boop!
That looks like it hurt. She just fucking slammed down on her ass, too. Alright, so those three are together. Guessing Yang's gonna come out of somewhere here? They look like Ursa. Is that what those are? Like Frost Ursa, not quite the Sabres? Or maybe Frost Beowulfs? I like that a lot if that's the case.
Oh.
Whoa. Fuck yeah.
Right in the tummy.
Alright, Mike. So it is possible in RWBY to be that strong.
Head to the nearest shelter.
So they got shelters set up.
Fill up soon. They're all we've got. We just have to hold off the Grimm.
And there's a lot of it, too.
Okay.
Of course, they're paired up.
Understood. Over and out. New orders. Let's go.
Well, tell them what they are.
But were they orders from Ironwood or from Watts and Tyrion?
You know, I've become a bigger fan of Weiss in this volume. That's for dang sure. She's had, I think all of them have had a lot of development. But wife.
Shut up. Oh yeah, more negative emotions to draw in the Grimm. Good job, people. We're smart. I gotta say, the head of Mantle before the Great War, he might have been right. Repress all negative emotions.
Oh, she's gonna endorse him. Oh, she's using her semblance. But does everybody know her semblance?
Unbelievable. But it is all true.
An ancient and terrible evil lies outside of our kingdom. It was responsible for the destruction of Beacon.
Finally, the truth.
Attack on Haven, and for the recent attacks on Mantle. This powerful force goes by the name of Salem.
He's doing it.
No shit.
Salem seeks only to
What the fuck do you think he was gonna do?
to turn us against each other.
Yeah.
If she can incite hatred in us, then we will lure in the Grimm and destroy ourselves.
Salem herself does not work alone.
Oh shit, that's badass.
Minions have invaded our very city.
Arthur Watts.
Neo.
These men are the ones
I want to know their
responsible
plan.
for recent murders in Mantle and for sabotaging the heating grid. But we cannot let ourselves give in to fear and panic. That is what she wants. Instead, we must unite and fight back together. Every single one of us.
Yeah!
Inspiration.
Damn. All right, John.
Move! Show 'em how it's done, kids.
When did you learn to do that?
That's adorable. That is fucking cute.
This, my friends, is why I was forced to move resources from Mantle for the Amity Communication Tower. Amity Tower is now completed.
Telling the whole truth. That's awesome.
It will reestablish all.
I'll say, not what I expected. I mean, okay, I expected it.
How did James
Oh, you didn't know that?
past me?
The council and I have decided to evacuate everyone in Mantle. 2
Oh.
hours. I'm withdrawing all.
The fact that Watts wasn't aware of that surprises me.
Compelling the Grim in Mantle.
But it sounds to me like he's gonna make it work.
Our differences and band together to defeat this threat. I fully support General Ironwood's
Oh, that's
plan.
awesome. That's what they needed. Good job, Hill. Good job, Ironwood.
Oh, look who stopped being stupid!
The Grim should have destroyed our enemies, not made them friends!
Wait. Our tin soldier's heart has cost him his mind. You need to keep their attention on Mantle for as long as possible.
You want more chaos than a Grim invasion.
If anyone on Remnant could deliver that, wouldn't it be you?
If you've made it to your local shelter, stay put. And for those of you in Sector 17, I'll be seeing you personally.
Oh, I bet she's baiting him.
Come to think of it,
She wants to fight him.
I do have an idea.
Oh, I don't like that.
I still can't believe those idiots beat us here. Vacuo was supposed to be the next target. The
Interesting.
timeline's changed. You said the farm boy has the lamp? Find him. Take it. No! We get what I need first. Then we get what we want. Now go. Ironwood
Sounds to me like you need Neo more than she needs you.
Tonight I'm going to find her.
What an OP ability.
The general's as predictable as his androids. Threaten what he has, and he'll flock to protect it.
It's nice having Cinder back. But having her coming in with no, like, real foreshadow. I don't know. We'll see. Oh, that looks like Penny to me. What if it's Pietro?
Oh shit.
I've got this.
Her semblance really is pretty damn nifty for multiple situations.
That is fantastic. Already got a weapon just like that. Maybe not just like that. Similar to that in the D&D.
The closest LZ is
Straight ahead, behind the giant Grim. Yeah, that's a primer Jailus. Anyone watching this who isn't familiar with the D&D, I'm sorry about calling that name out so much. Gotta say, it would have been cooler if it was Pietro, but I'm happy it's Penny. Just gonna use your silver ass here. Sounds like an altered version of Indomitable, so I think so. No? Okay. Not quite got the grasp on it, eh, girl? Alright. Alright. It's life. I get it. Can't always be happy. Moment, especially in the moment, you know?
Oh,
Penny!
I'm sorry, that's kind of funny.
Penny? Are you okay? Ouch! Dangerous.
Oh, Penny, I love you.
I think I have a plan. What is it?
They just left Harriet alone.
Oh, there's your hit, Connor.
Your semblance is super speed. Move.
And there is her aura getting broken.
These intimidate checks in this episode. There we go. That's what I've been hoping for. I will admit, I was hoping it would be more powerful and would be able to take it down pretty easily. It's kind of weird. I feel like the animation for it is actually worse than it was in Volume 1. But it's been a while since I've watched that, so I don't know. Alright, this is interesting.
They're gonna kill it with his own tusk. That's genius.
Yeah, that was pretty cool.
Yeah, they saved us.
Yeah! Look at you, not the center of attention right now, eh? Ace up, girl? Harriet? That's her name. She looks like she's fun with it.
Miss Hill, the southern outskirts are clear.
Oh yeah, curfew's in effect.
Safe to begin evacuations now.
Great work, Penny. Over and out. Make sure you get these people to safety. I'm gonna check for any stragglers.
Oh, looks like someone's going to be attacked by Tyrion, perhaps?
Oh man, she's a genius. There he is. I bet Clover and Crow were sent here to back her up. Haven't seen them since.
Bringing hope and a smile wherever you go.
Ooh.
I find it
Much as I hate him, he's
upsetting.
a brilliant villain. Yep, there's Clover.
Sorry, Kalos. I really wanted to pummel you on my own, but the General insisted I share.
Well, you're not the only one with a grudge. We'll both have to get in line.
I bet Tyrion will be just fine, though. You know, in the opening credit, we don't see Clover there. Does Clover die? Uh-oh.
What are you gonna do? Gosh, it looks like a Japanese poster.
Iron was not stupid. He knew what the announcement would do.
This will certainly do the trick. Although I wouldn't exactly call it finished.
Oh, he baited him.
Arthur Watts.
Ooh.
Welcome.
It wasn't finished. It was bait.
Superhero landing.
You know, James, this place has always been a technological marvel. Truly.
Interesting.
Even before you went and did all this. The different types of dust, the biome system, and of course, everything that goes into controlling them.
Ooh. Alright, this is cool. This is gonna be a fun fight. Oh, that's so cool.
And coolest weapon goes to Watts.
Ooh, this is a cool looking field. I wish we saw more of this back in Volume 3.
Fighting someone on terrain they control. That's a hard fight.
Sounding cliche, James. I won't be going down without
Oh, cool gun.
That's a lot of fucking shots in one fucking Magnum.
That is not the end. Oh, man.
Shorter episode, a little bit of a setup for what's going to happen. That pretty much puts a stop to the Clover being a traitor, at least for Watts. Because if he was a traitor, that means Watts should have known what was up with the communication tower. So maybe Clover is just a straight up good guy. Or maybe not. I don't know. The fact that there are 5 of them, I'm still hoping for something more to happen. It is possible that Clover could turn on Hill and Tyrion, make it a 2-on-2. Or not Clover, on Crow and Hill. Well, thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you next time. Be sure to check out our discussion, which should be coming out tomorrow. Should be. Copyright might hold it up, but we will see. And hey, if you like these more late night sessions where I'm just like up at 4 a.m. because fuck knows why and drinking a little bit, hey, let me know. Let me know. You let me know. Bye. Hopefully you enjoyed that. Be sure to let us know whether you did or didn't by using those like buttons, the comments, or subscribing. And make sure you also spread it around to all of your friends, too. I'd also like to thank our patrons. With support like yours, we're able to slowly improve on our content, so thank you so much for supporting us. If you're not already a patron and you'd like to support us directly, be sure to check out our Patreon in the description below. We have rewards like stickers, shirts, behind-the-scenes content, and even the ability to make a major character to join in one of our D&D campaigns. Well, once again, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.